Kerry's leaving the country.
Yes, I am.
The government has made her leave.
I have a bag of things.
Wow, that's a lot of stuff. So when you're in Ibiza, Eat Pizza as it's known.
Eat pizza.
Ibiza.
Oh.
Rubbish. You're rubbish.
I thought you were saying eat pizza.
Yeah, it's all the same. Eat pizza, Ibiza.
That's where I'm going.
You're going to film some randoms.
Yeah.
Film what you're doing. So, because people need to know.
Well, I might, like, if we've got a balcony that leads onto the pool.
Yeah.
I might film shit that goes on.
Yeah. Okay. Excellent.
Lots of drugs.
Enjoy the drugs and the drunk people.
I will.
And the sun.
There isn't any.
Is there none in Ibiza?
No.
Rubbish.
It's raining.
So more weather updates later.
I just thought there's no point in staying at your man. It's not another night.
That is what our luggage is being held in. Biatch. That's all the harbour and shit. Got a pool down there. Some shit going down here. Some shit going on. Some shit going on. Guys, I'm nervous.
That is wrong. Only in Covent Garden.